Well, hey guys, this is not what I normally do, but hey, the grandkids wanted me to fold them a paper airplane, and this is the paper airplane I learned to fly when I was a kid. Very simple. I'm going to fold it for you, let you watch me fold it. You might have to actually pause it, but this is a real simple paper airplane that actually flies. You can probably teach your kids and grandkids to fold this. So, hey, when I get through, we're actually going to fly it. We're going to prove that it actually flies. So, hey, let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed that fun little video. I know that's not my norm, but normally you see me do fishing videos and reviews, stuff like that. But hey, we're just having a little fun today. Hey, if you enjoyed this, hey, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Till next time, catch you later.